Welcome to Rindt Racing. We're new to racing. We've been racing for 18 months, but we absolutely love it. We field normally somewhere between 3 and 5 cars. Today, all 3 cars have finished so far. We've got one more race this afternoon. We had a huge problem yesterday. We had one car that had a failure. We worked till 12 o'clock last night. We were back in at 5 o'clock this morning to get young Will, who's Andy's son, out in his first race. We managed to do it, so very proud of my pit crew, very proud of Rindt Racing.
I thank you and the team.
That's right.
What you did last
night.
night.
Not me. I just keep buying coffee and go and get cakes and stuff.
And breakfast.
Moral
Breakfast
support.
and stuff. Moral support.
Keep them fed.
Cheerleader.
Fed and watered. I'm with
Cheerleader.
that.
Every team needs a cheerleader.
Yeah, and I'm it, apparently.
Yeah.
Silverstone Grand Prix track, we're very lucky to be out there. You know, 3-4 weeks ago, we were watching the Grand Prix, Formula 1. 3-4 weeks later, we're all out there. 54 cars on grid. It was manic, but huge fun. You know, it's a massive adrenaline rush. We need to thank Mike from Asgood for renting us a car.
Massive thanks to him.
That was massive. Well done,
Lovely
him.
car.
That's a good
But
thinking, mate.
this guy leading the pit crew is phenomenal. So, from all of us, thank you for all you've done.
It's a pleasure.
Massive thank you.
Well done, well done. We're here to enjoy it. We have a lot of fun. We're very passionate about what we do. We obviously build some beautiful resto mods. We love what we do. I'm very, very passionate about racing, very, very passionate about building cars. Thanks a lot. We'll see you all next time. We'll be at Brands Hatch. Onwards and upwards. Let's see what goes.
Let's get it.